What is going on YouTube? Hannah back making another brand new crypto TV episode. In today's video, we are going to be looking at, as you can see by the title, MoonFarm. For those that don't know, we're going to be looking at MoonFarm, which basically brings DeFi and, centralized finance together and forming pretty much what could be a new investment opportunity moving forward in cryptocurrency. I want to give a huge shout out to MoonFarm for sponsoring today's episode, as they do have a lot of very interesting news and information about their company and how it could benefit not only me, but you guys that are watching right now. Otherwise, if you guys are new to the channel, definitely make sure to subscribe, turn on post notifications, leave a giant thumbs up, as this does help support the YouTube algorithm. Remember to join us over at Discord, as we do have a pretty big community of over 1,400 people, I believe, which is completely free to enter. So definitely make sure to check that out. I did link it in the description. Otherwise, let's jump into today's episode. Alright guys, so DeFi is the next generation of finance that extends the boundaries in annual percentage yield and permissionless networks. The DeFi process, however, appears to be hard to understand from a user perspective. This represents a critical challenge on its path to a mass adoption. So MoonFarm was created to address the aforementioned problems of basically DeFi and CeFi together, and the problems that people face with that, and provide customers with an effortless DeFi experience. The company's mission is centralized, decentralized finance, which I'm going to refer to as CeDefi in the rest of today's episode. So it's basically an upcoming area of blockchain-based financial applications that combines the advantages of both centralized finance and decentralized finance. Their vision is to become the leading CeDeFi yield farming optimization platform. By doing so, they will contribute to bridging the gap between CeFi and DeFi, remove entry barriers to yield farming and enhance users' experience, provide better capital utilization, create strong optimization that provides the best benefits to DeFi users, and boost crypto adoption. So, MoonFarm's benefits specifically are creating a farming system that combines DeFi high yields APR and CeFi's ease of use. They operate on multi-chain rather than a single network like most other DeFi projects, and they also have long-term benefits for customers arising from very low gas fees. So they're also creating a new yield farming customer base of those who are either new to DeFi or have no in-depth understanding of the process. A better solution for capital utilization in cryptocurrency is also something they're trying to provide, as well as easier farming mechanisms with multi-deposited assets, and vision for mass adoption based on ease of use and better yields that can be found in traditional finance. Now, I know a lot of this is a lot of big information, and I'm really trying to share everything all at once. And obviously you can pause the video at any time or do your own research afterwards to kind of, really hone in, if you're really new to cryptocurrency, what it is that I'm referring to. But I also want to go and compare a few things here on the channel. I want to show you guys what, their yield farming optimization looks like, their moon farming vaults, their token model, their roadmap, and so on and so forth. So the DeFi process appears to be hard to understand from a user perspective, and this represents a critical challenge in its path to mass adoption. Users need to own a wallet, and this requires users to understand how on-chain transactions work and how to store their own keys. Users choose a credible DeFi platform. This requires users to understand how on-chain transactions work and how to store their own keys. Users also have to add liquidity to receive liquidity providers' tokens, LP tokens, and double token assets are required with high gas fees. Users need to know how to deposit LP tokens in the farming pool, and gas fees are payable at each step on the process, meaning the return may not cover the fees, which has happened to me numerous times getting involved into DeFi, and it is extremely annoying. Therefore, the reason MoonFarm was created was to combine these two, and they created the address of the same problems that I just mentioned to provide customers with an effortless experience. So the solutions that MoonFarm is trying to bring to the table is a hybrid farming system that combines the best DeFi and CeFi, aiming to create a ease-of-use finance application that obviously combines high-yield APR and great user experience found in CeFi. MoonFarm aims to be the first cross-chain CeDeFi platform that provides farming strategies on different blockchain networks instead of single networks like most other DeFis like we've mentioned. They do have long-term sustainability that they're really trying to set forth and bring forward. As crypto applications continue to increase, transaction fees on blockchain networks will also increase in line with user activity. And they have seen a single Uniswap transaction on Ethereum cost $100 in gas fees. And this is pretty much unacceptable to most users, as people really are not trying to trade, $80 worth of crypto and have a $100 fee to move $80. It just doesn't make sense. So MoonFarm is trying to provide users with low fees regardless of the market conditions. They're trying to, make themselves different out there. Not only that, they have easy to onboard new users. They're trying to make it very easy for new people to get involved in crypto. So due to combinations of DeFi and CeFi, MoonFarm creates a new yield farming customer base, like we've said numerous times, to those that are either new to DeFi or have no understanding, and so on and so forth. Otherwise, I want to talk about their utility token. So they're offering a discount on all the vault fees, and holding a certain amount of their MFO token will be required for users to get a discount fee on the vault management fee, which will include both a withdrawal fee and reward harvesting fee. They're also offering staking. Users will have the option to stake MFO tokens, earn staking rewards. They have a governance token as well. Users who own MFO tokens have the right to vote for proposals, including things like changing fee structures, adopting new DeFi projects, APY of AutoVault, etc. So basically, by having their governance token, you'll be able to make, changes as a, community to cryptocurrency itself and to their platform, MoonFarm itself. So users who own a certain amount of MFO tokens can create a new farming pool on manual farms and receive a sharing benefit from this pool. And basically a sale, summary of their token of the MFO is basically there's 100 million tokens in supply, and the total supply, created is as followed. The seed sale is 4 million. Same thing with the strategic sale and private sale. Their IDO has 350K tokens. Listing liquidity is 100K. Farming rewards is 50 million. Product and marketing is 7.5 mil. Community incentives is 5 million to try to, get people to invest more into their token. Partnership and exchanges are going to be 15 million, and then the team is 10 million. So token sale allocations and fundraising is also something they're really trying to dedicate a lot of time to. The MFO token is divided into 4 stages. Seed sale, as we know, strategic sale, and then they have private sale, and then IDO public sale. So the token vesting schedule is also as follows. They have a seed sale, which is 5% release locked for 2 months, then 8% linear vesting in 11 months, and 7 for the last month. Otherwise, for their farming reward, in accordance with yield farming programs, schedules to be progressively released at later stages. The product and marketing is 30% unlocked. Otherwise, guys, I know that's a lot of information to digest and understand within the DeFi, space and within MoonFarm, but definitely make sure to check them out. Once again, huge shout out to them for sponsoring today's video. You can check out more information about them in the description down below. Let me know what you guys think, and I'll see you in tomorrow's episode. Peace.